It is, Eric. I knew you couldn't stay away for long.
It feels really good to see you again and all the other customers I've served. So come on in.
Oh, right, yeah.
Grab you a coffee.
Oh, sure, that'd be great, thank you. And a macchiato is espresso plus...
Espresso plus just a little bit of milk. So the reason that we pair coffees with milk is because the sweetness of the milk will actually bring out a lot of the flavor.
Yes, yeah, right. Handles the same.
Yeah,
I mean,
doesn't it?
once you're used to the regular Bullitt, yeah. I don't.
We're on Montreal and it should be here next week.
Yeah, the big guns, because that'll be more of a test as well. You can actually put some stuff in it to test.
Yeah. And then getting it front loaded, put like 150 pounds of cargo in the front, and just see how it handles with that extra length in there.
Yes.
I haven't. Oh, jeez.
Awesome, thanks a lot.
My pleasure.
We'll be back.
Yeah, they're making us now the new 12-speed, so it's basically a 3-speed hub.
I was just asking Tim, you guys got one of those in yet?
They're available now in the USA, so they'll be here very soon.
Okay. Nice. And they have carbon forks now?
Yeah.
Too? Yeah.
For the T-line.
Yeah.
Which we have one on order.
Wow.
I can't wait to see it.
Fancy.
It's torquey.
Does it fold the same way?
Yeah.
As,
No change
okay.
in fold. Yeah. The swing arm looks a little bit different from previous versions because they basically bought a titanium factory in Sheffield up in northern.
Yeah. All right. Have a good one.
Good to see you.
See you again very soon.
See you around.